Karma. My name is Anjali and hope you all are doing great and are perfectly fine. So today's video is going to be a hairstyle video, like not a hairstyle video but something related to hairs. In this video I am going to tell you how to curl your hairs without any sort of heating tool and without actually damaging your hair. So I will be doing that. I don't want to damage my hair at all. So I have seen so many videos on YouTube, and I have seen so many videos on YouTube, and the idea of this video came from there only. And so I myself, for the first time, I am going to be trying that, and kind of very excited and kind of nervous that how that will go. Along with me, you will also see that if it works or not. So for the video or for my curling, I am going to be using these are straws that I am going to be using, and let's see how that goes. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so I have kind of straight hair, but it is wavy, like a little bit wavy. So yeah, so first thing you have to do is you have to tangle out your hairs, and you have to make sure that you don't have any tangles in your hair. Okay, so now the main part, the main thing. So okay, divide your hair in two sections and like tie the first section. Yeah, so I have to work with this. Okay, so I am doing it at night, and you can do it in the daytime, but I want this to sit for a while, so that's why I am doing this in night, because you have to leave this for like, you have to let this sit for at least 2 to 3 hours to see the results. That's what I have come across. Okay, so now you have to like wet your hair. So I am using this cotton, and you have to damp it a little bit. Okay, so I am going to put my first straw. You can also use a bobby pin. Okay, so my first straw is on,
and that is looking pretty funny
to me, and let's see how that goes. Okay, so I'm not going to lie, that took me a lot of time. So my first side is done, and I am looking kind of funny, but yeah, hope this works. So yeah, so this is how this looks, and now to the second part now to the second side of this, and I will see you once I complete this. So yeah.
So this is how so far my hairs look like.
And okay, so now I am going to sleep, and I will let this sit all night, and I will see you in the morning. Yeah, until then, bye. Yeah guys, so this is the next morning, and I look something like this. This is how the condition of my hair look like, and I am kind of very excited to see how this turned out. So let's start that. Okay, so I am going to be looking there because it has what is this? I have in my life I have never had a curly hair before, and I have never curled my hair before, and that is looking pretty hot. Oh my god. Okay, so I will fast forward this now.
देखो पापा ना यहाँ पे नहीं ध्यान दे रहे हैं लोग। Okay, so this is the last straw.
These are my hairs. Okay, so far this looks like this, and I am shocked. Literally, I am shocked that, oh my god. Okay, so now I am just going to do some things a bit so that my hairs look little fuller I think. By the way, it is very difficult to manage curly hair. I can feel that. Okay, so I will join you once I separate all these strings, yeah, whatever. So I will see you after that, and yeah, I am very excited to see the overall look. Okay, so see you. Okay, so this is the so far look. I have removed almost every tangle possible, and also, yeah, this is for the first time, but I kind of enjoying it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do so that it stays in place is that I am going to apply this leave-on, kind of pushing this upward to make it little more bouncy, and I am very excited to take photos in this. I am really very excited, and I will post the photos of these on Instagram, and so don't forget to check that out. Okay guys, so this was the video. Hope you have enjoyed and had fun watching me doing this stuff, and hopefully you will try to do this. This is perfectly safe and this is heatless, and also these straws are very cheap. Okay, so you can totally get hands on this because this is much cheaper than an electronic device. Actually buying a heating tool or a curling iron and damaging your hair, so this is much more better option. So you can totally give this a try if you want to create anything like this. So I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.